zipperable. When I was a little bit boy, just step off the floor, we used to go to Grandma's house every morning or so. Had chicken fried, country ham, homemade butter on the bread. About the best I'm thinking about Grandma's house with a great big mini bed. It was 9 feet high, 6 feet wide, something to down there chick. It's made from the fat of the 411 kids took it home with a cloth for the dick. In a whole week is 4 hound dogs and the biggest stuff on the shit. We didn't get much sleep, but we had a lot of fun. Grandma's mini bed. Well, after the supper, sit around the fire, the old folks made a chew. While we talked about the farm and the war, the grand singing about the too. And I'd sit, listen, watch the fire until the cobweb fell my head. Next thing I knew, I'll wake up in the morning in the middle of the old fitty bed. It was 9 feet high, 6 feet wide, soft as a down there chick. It was made from the fat of the 411 geese, took her home with a club for the tick. The whole week is 4 hound dogs and the big stones on the ship. We didn't get much sleep, but we had a phone, Grandma's mini bed. Well, I love my mom, I love her both, love Granny and Grandpa too. I've been fishing with my uncle and Russell, my cousin, even Keith and Lou. Ooh, but if I ever had to make a choice, I guess all would be said. I'd trade them all as the gal down road for the great big mini bed. Yes, I'd trade them all as the gal down road for the grandma's mini bed.